say the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. 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 Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners. Take a couple L's if you wanna be a winner. When I think about the beat, it's synonymous with dinner.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Jr. back at you again with another banger. We don't even gotta get no Shell Premium today. We went and filled that hell up last night, boy. You know what it is. Man, I know y'all gonna whine about the no jacket. I don't care, man. Look, we still got the boots on. We good. I know it'll hurt if I hit the ground. Let's just hope I don't hit the ground. How about that? It's so nice out, man. It's like 92 degrees out, and I ain't riding so damn long. Especially not with it nice out. Last time I rode with weather like this was in the Miami meet, man. It was at the Miami meet with Moto Mac, Fireblade Lars, which now he don't even own a Fireblade. He owns an S1000. So that's pretty crazy. He done got a whole different bike since then, man. And then I was with Dylan from Fastlane D. And then Joseph was there, Kudus. There's a bunch of us there, man. It was cool. It was a good time. If I forgot to mention your name, I'm sorry. There's a Dermish. There we go. There's another one. There's a lot of them, man. There's so many of us. It was crazy. It was such a good time. If you didn't know, I was down there on this bike, on the R6. And that's actually when I found out that I had won Blondie, which is crazy. First day of our trip down there, man, I found out that I had won that bike. And that was crazy. God, the downshifts on this thing are so nice. Look, I don't know, y'all probably gonna disagree with me on this, but I like the way that, well, not just any six, specifically the R6, I like the way it sounds more than the R1. That high-pitched, nice, like, F1 car sound, man, you can't beat it. In my opinion, at least. I don't think you can. It's friggin' beautiful out, man. Beautiful. I hope all y'all been doing well and enjoying the riding season. And if your bike's been broke or down like mine, man, don't even worry about it. It's for a reason. Just remember, everything happens for a reason. That's all you gotta remember. That was an awful wheelie. We gotta get used to being back on this bike, and I probably shouldn't do that without a jacket on anyway. So I mean, honestly, that's probably a good thing. We're just going to the right hard there though, boys. Hard. Had all my weight over there, I guess. Oh man, it feels so good to be back out on the bike, man. I don't even know how to describe it. It does. But yeah, man, if you're having like bike problems or even car problems or anything, man, or just life in general, man, life goes on, man. Pick your head up and keep moving. Everything's gonna get better eventually. It can't stay bad forever, can it? I mean, come on now. Life's gonna have its ups and downs. Just keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Daddy ain't ever leave that house without my tool. Woo! Oh yeah. Feels so good. Oh, baby. I'm so excited to be back on a bike. It's insane. Oh, that was bad. Awful wheelies. Awful. God you can tell I ain't rode in a long time. What about these gas prices? It's like $4.60 here right now for unleaded, man. What the hell? That means it's like probably 5 something for 93, and that's just why? All them stimulus checks, y'all, man. Y'all thought they was free, boy. We gonna pay them back right now in these gas prices. That's how they gonna pay for them, straight up. Yes, sir. Got the Harley the way back, baby. Yes, sir. Man, I swear some Harley riders don't wave, and it's like, bro, come on now. What are you doing? Why you gotta? Man, that's just little energy. You know what I'm saying? Little dude energy. We'll say that, little dude. Little dude. Like, why you not gonna wave back just because somebody's on a different bike, bro? I'll wave at a damn moped. I don't care. You're still on 2 wheels risking your life. You know what I mean? We should all love each other. That's how I feel. You see that? Look. See, it stays. It's not going all the way back in. My clutch is slipping because of it. I can adjust it right there, I guess, but I'm gonna get some clutch lube and make it where it'll go all the way back in. I want to fix it right, not adjust my clutch. There was a flat track race last weekend. I meant to go to it and get y'all some footage, man. And I thought it was at 11 a.m. Turns out it started at 11 a.m. I thought it was just 2 races, man. On the website, that's what it looked like it was just 2 races at like 11 a.m. and I wasn't gonna be able to make them. Turns out they started at 11 a.m. and went all day, man. Like, yeah. Well, the reason I found that out is because I have a few buddies that actually ended up getting to go. And I would have went and got it on film for y'all, man. I would have enjoyed that. I ain't never been to a flat track race. If you've ever been, let me know. All my buddies were saying it was crazy, man. They was flying around that track on the dirt, man, just flying. So they was passing doing like 100, 120, 130 probably. And that's booking it on some dirt. Let me know how your all's roads are down in the comments. Do you all have good roads, or are they like screwed? Because, man, when we was in Birmingham, that's probably the worst roads I've ever rode on was right there in Birmingham. I mean, they were awful, man. Just straight up awful. They make you realize not everybody takes care of their streets. You know what I mean? Feels good out today. Man, that's what's crazy is cruising at 100. Let's see. What's my RPMs at when I'm at 100? Like at 93, 94, 95. On the R1, they're at like 6, bro. That's crazy. The R1's a lot easier to just ride on the interstate. I feel like if I was ever going to do like a cross-country trip on a sport bike, which would be kind of crazy, but if I was ever going to do that, it'd definitely be on like the R1 or a 1K for sure. Just so you're not beating the hell out of the bike the whole time, man. I mean, you're going to beat the hell out of it anyway still, but you know what I mean. Man, I love the way this bike sounds. It's just so nice. I just love it. This sucks in this turn because if you look, there's like, I mean, look at this. What are those? Little like patches all throughout the turn, man. Little bumpies. Definitely not one you want to try and drag me on, that's for sure. Woo! A little bit death bobble, baby. I gotta get a steering stabilizer for this. It hurts. He's got little rocks or something flying out of the back of that motherfucker. Bam! Now we can just cruise. Anybody else use their frame slider for that? Like another little footrest, bro. Jury duty right now. Any of y'all ever been elected for jury duty? And if so, did you get dismissed? Like, did you get thrown to the side and they didn't even use you? Or did you go? And if you did you like it? I mean, right now I just started. They elected me for the grand jury, so I don't really know if I like it yet or not. But I mean, I figured I would, because I'm kind of interested in like law like that anyway. Mostly, I don't know. I know there's a lot of crooked cops and a lot of crooked judges and stuff out there. Well, that's not cool. So anytime a citizen can do one of them over and get them fired, if they are a crooked one, that's good. Hell yeah. That's what I think anyway. Because some of them, man, they just do stupid stuff. And it just kills me, man. Whole little sport touring crew coming out. Gotta love Kentucky. Look at that. There's the All-Tech Arena over there. Beautiful at the Kentucky Horse Park, man. Gotta love it. Oh, he's a Georgia fan. Fast lady. I know y'all got us in the Natty Championship this year, boy, but that's alright. That's alright. We gonna get y'all next year. And we beat the crap out of y'all. Smacked y'all around like some little kids during the SEC Championship game. So I figured that was probably coming, because we embarrassed y'all on the SEC Championship game. I'll tell you what, man, Georgia's defense this year was probably the best defense I've ever seen play football. If y'all, I don't know if any of y'all are into football. I'm sure some of you definitely are, because that's like a big sport. But man, like, if you watch Georgia's defense this year at all, you know they were just monsters on the field. That team played well together. That group of boys, man, they was killing it. Killing it. And I ain't even a Georgia fan, and I'll admit that. It's just how it is. You see greatness, you say something about it. There was a Charger last night tried to race us. There's a scat back. I just, they don't want that. And they don't. They got higher top end than this R6 does, though. I will give them that. At around 155 or so, they'll come around you on a 600. Now on the R1, though, we just gone. Yeah, bro, on the R1, we gone. What's on the music? Oh no, we ain't listening to that, boy. That's a speeding song right there. Lord knows I stay high, and I love it, and I love it. 100's on the tape, 20's on the floor. Yeah, bad bitches on the floor, I outside, and I love it. What the hell that's doing? They don't know. They just still got their blinker on. What a dummy! All right, they finally getting over. I know I pulled my shirt up. Don't give me hell, man. It's nice out. It's actually hot as hell, if I'm being honest. All right, we're gonna get one more pull in right here. side just like jumped when he hit the bridge. It was off the bike. The bike didn't come up, but he did. I peeped that from over here. Even on 100 something mile an hour, baby.